Thank you for joining this channel. In this video, we'll be working from highlights, preschool, success, lowercase letters, 15 minutes of lowercase letter practice. The 15-minute timing is a guide to keep things fun and not frustrating. Celebrate any amount of time engaging with this book by placing a star or sticker on a favorite page. Use the flag stickers on the poster from the set and certificate in the back of this book to track progress. Use this table of contents to plan your 15 minutes a day. We'll be using this table of contents, these lessons, for each video. Today, we're focusing on writing A on page 2. Highlights, preschool success, lowercase letters. A. This is a lowercase a. Trace the lowercase a with your pencil, then write your own. A. 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 I'm going to stay within this line and this line, starting at the middle dotted line. A. 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 Trace A to finish the sentence. Trace A to finish the sentence. A. 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 N. An. A. N. T. Ant. A. A. S. Has. 6. L. E. G. S. Period. Legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. An ant has 6 legs. A. A. Ant has. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.